Hello viewers, today's shortcut recipe is about tom yum chicken kurma. So it's very easy to cook and I will be showing the shortcut way because this is shortcut recipes with SK. As you can see, tomato, onions, garlic, chilies, that's what you need. And what you have to do, you just have to put it in the grinder and you have to grind it till it mixes, and you have to even add little water, okay? And it should be in a thick consistency. And then you have to take the chickens and you have to wash it properly. And after that, if it's too much frozen, use warm water to remove all the ice. Clean it properly, put little lemon in it so that the smell goes away, or you can use vinegar, that's up to you what you like. It should be cleaned properly. It should be, there shouldn't be any smell. And then you have to take a pan, you have to put the oil, whatever oil you use, whatever you like. And when it turns warmer, then what you have to do, very simple, you have to use the mixture that we have blended. That was tomato, garlic, onion and chilies. That's it. So yeah, till it turns warmer you have to wait, and then when it turns up hot, you have to put the mixture in it, and you have to keep it for a few minutes, unless it's cooked. And on the opposite side here, what you have to do, you have to take yogurt and you have to put in the yogurt haldi and all the preferable masalas what you like, and then make a mixture, haldi, red masalas, whatever, and then you have to put it in the curry as you saw it. And then after that, after putting it, I put little black pepper and red chili to make the color more attractive. That's up to you, whatever you like. I again repeat, I used coriander powder, haldi powder, red chili powder and black pepper. You can use whatever masalas you like as per your choice, and I have used red masala a little more because to make the color good. And even this is I have put the salt up of it, and you can even put during your mixing the masalas with yogurt that time also. And yeah, this now I'm putting the chickens which I kept with the lemon sparkled over for so that the after washing, so that the smells goes away. And you have to put chicken one by one, and then you have to shake it properly, as you can see. And then after that you have to cover the vessel, cover the pan, and 40 to 45 minutes it should be kept. And this is at the end, when the chicken will be cooked, you have to put tomatoes and these are the green leaves, dhania we say in Hindi, or mint, whatever you like, for garnishing. At the top you have to put it later, not now you have to just put the tomatoes because this makes it more yummy. Anyways, we used enough tomatoes at the beginning, but still this will give a good outlook. As you can see, it's getting boiled and you can see it's bubbling. And you have to look after the chicken. You have to check whether the curry is getting burnt or something, because you can't just keep it in the fire and you can't just go into your hall and sit, because we never know when it gets burnt. And then later, after 40 to 45 minutes, you can see it's ready. Guys, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned with shortcut recipes with SK.